we go, folks. We're going to do the unboxing of this Masterbuilt grill. First thing I see when I open the box, I've got these instructions here. So we're going to just throw those in the trash. No, just kidding. Okay, so here's what we got. Now that we've got it out of the box, and I'm trying not to go too fast here. See, I'm already busting styrofoam, but we're really hungry and really up to this guy tonight to make this happen. So that's what this beautiful grill looks like once you get it out of the box. But it's so portable. It's really awesome. That's kind of what I was hoping it would be like when I got it. It definitely has that feel. So we're going to clip this and we're going to get all of these items out, and then we're going to jump into the rest of the install. I think we're done now. We're going to test this sucker out, but what's cool is it's got a drip tray handle here that locks it, or you can turn it this way. That pulls out your drip tray right there. Isn't that cool? So we'll go ahead and put that back. Let's see if it works. I'm going to hook up some propane here. We got this done in about 15 minutes. I had to go back and put these guys in the right way. Okay, so you want to make sure this connection here is tight. These screws are in here tight. You want to connect your propane in the off position. And the next thing we're going to do is we are going to light it up. So here we go. All right, so we got this guy going. Actually had to enlist my wife for some help. She lit some fire on some paper, and we lit it over here where the electrode is, where it's supposed to light up. Make sure that you use a match, or like we're in high winds here, so we use some cardboard. And it's getting pretty hot. This is what I love about this thing. It's got a thermometer. Can't really see it.
Can't see it.
You have to go by touch, but it's on high, so that's where we want it. Everything's cooking good. So far, this grill is gonna feed us. Day 2 of the Masterbuilt grill. One thing I learned, okay, for some reason our igniter, it's sparking, but it's not lighting the fire. So we're using a regular lighter just right here. Another thing discovered was this is, for us, this seems to be the best position to set the propane. There's an arrow right here, And what you do, turn the gas on, just press on this and then rotate it to high, and then you're going to light the grill. Just turn it off, just rotate it back, let the knob loose. So hope that helps you. We had to kind of discover that on our own when manually lighting it. So we're going to clean the grill up a little bit and make some more burgers tonight. But very happy with this grill. Cooked some good food last night. We're going to cook some more tonight. Yeah, he's always hungry. Okay, so here we go. Round 2, second day of using the Masterbuilt grill. We've got a temperature of nearly 400 degrees. Some cauliflower again. Start that sizzling. Oh yeah. A little bit of mushroom. Oh man, it's still sizzling from, that's from last night's cooking experience right there. Okay, now we're gonna do some veggie burgers for all you vegetarians out there. You'll like that part. And then these are for me, Bubba Burgers, every time. Me and Bubba Burgers, we have a really good relationship. Oh, here comes the fire. Yeah. If you like what you saw in this video, please remember to like, subscribe, share the video. Let us know your thoughts on the Masterbuilt, or if you have any other grill ideas. We love to grill outdoors, so I know a lot of our subscribers would like to hear from you too, so please comment. Happy camping. So now we've used this tabletop propane grill a few times, and we're going to go ahead and give it a score on a scale of 1 being awful to 10 being excellent. We're going to go ahead and give the Masterbuilt tabletop propane grill a whopping 8.5 for performance. It cooks very well, it's very affordable, and I highly recommend it, especially for camping. Fits nice in the back of the truck. It is a little bit tough to put somewhere in an RV unless you have a good sized storage bay, but for the money and for the ease of putting it together and the durability of it, I'm gonna give it an 8.5. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go out and get yours today.